welcome to another episode of Getting Registered at LeTourneau. In this video, I'm going to show you how to actually select your courses and add them to your schedule. This is kind of the heart of the registration process, and my hope is to make it as straightforward as possible for you. So let's head back to the registration checklist in my LETU, and the select courses option is going to be grayed out unless you have completed most of the other options on the checklist. So before you continue with this video, make sure that your checklist has this message right here which says ready to register with a green check mark. If all that looks good, click on the select courses link and we will get started. So on this page, the first two things that I want to point out to you are the term and course program drop-down items. So before you start searching for courses to add to your schedule, make sure that both of these are set to the correct info that applies to you. So right now I'm going to select Summer 2020, and for the program I'm going to select Undergraduate Program. Just a quick note, because of the way this program works in my LETU, after you change either of these two boxes, just wait for a second for the page to reload before changing the other one or moving on. It just needs a second to refresh the back end so it shows you the correct data. All right, moving on. If you're someone who's been on top of their degree audit and already knows the university catalog requirements for your program, chances are that you already know what courses you want to sign up for. If you're here and you're thinking, I have no idea what courses I want to sign up for this semester, that's okay. Just pause this video and watch or rewatch the ones on reviewing your degree audit and getting your program requirements. I'm putting links to those episodes in the video description below if you need them. If you are ready, however, let's walk through the process of searching for classes. So we have two ways of doing that, and they are add by course code and course search. Starting with the add by course code method, you can add up to 6 courses at once using the course codes from the university catalog. So if I want to take biblical literature, BIBL 1033, let me put that in here. You can put that course code into the box and it will automatically start to autofill with matches. Personally, this is the way I've always preferred to add classes myself when I was taking classes at LeTourneau, because I find these live search results to be really helpful. Now you might be thinking, wait a minute, why are there 3 different classes or a bunch of different classes for BIBL 1033? Those are the different course sections that are being taught, possibly by different professors or at different times. So I want to pause there to ask you to be careful and intentional with the course section that you select. Typically, courses with a number extension refer to on-ground classes at our Longview campus, while the ones with letter extensions refer to online courses. Now, with course sections, it's important that whichever of the two methods you use to find your course, either add by course code or course search, you choose the correct section, because you don't want to accidentally sign up for a summer class when you're planning to start a school in the fall, for example. Also, because of the way LeTourneau structures its online classes in 3 modules throughout a given semester, some classes overlap with each other, making it even more important that you double check that you've signed up for the correct section of the course. The best way to do that is to click on the course once you've added it to see the dates and location listed for the course. If those match up with when and how you're expecting to take the course, you've done it correctly. So for example, my BIBL 1033 course is listed as taking place between May 11th and June 14th. I'll show you. You click on the course that's already been added, and here are the dates, May 11th through June 14th. And it's listed as being an online class. So I know that I've done it correctly. Now you can also use the course search method. So let me switch to that really quickly. Here you have several different ways of finding the course that you're looking for. Maybe you know the name of the course, but not the department that it goes with. Or maybe you know vice versa. You know the department, but not the course name. Whatever the case, this is just another way for you to get at the same information. Lastly, if you run into any error messages while trying to add a course, there's a few common reasons. Number one, if the error says you're not eligible to add courses to your schedule at this time, that usually means that the registration season is closed or that you have not completed all the necessary steps in your registration checklist in order to sign up for classes. Another error you might see is student is not eligible to register for this course because you have not met the proper requirements. Prerequisites rather. Remember that for some classes you need to take a prerequisite class before you are eligible to take others. You can refer back to the university catalog. Again, look at the link in the description. Look at the catalog to see a given course's prerequisites if that's something you're running into. And also, if you run into an error that you don't understand or if you have any other problems, you can reach out to your academic coach so that they can get you back on track. All right, with that, thank you for sticking with me. You should have everything you need to be able to register for classes. You'll know that you've successfully added your classes by seeing them in the list on your Select Courses page. So this is my list right now. I just have one course right now. And the checklist page will tell you how many credits you've registered for as well. So I hope that this helps. Thank you so much for sticking with me, and I hope to see you in the next video.